Hi everyone, are you looking for something to add a decoration to your bedroom or your living room or even your bathroom? I've got you this foldable arched 3-tier shelf in gold. Look how gorgeous the material is, and it's foldable as they say. It has wooden shelves here and it's beautiful. The golden accent in it is amazing. It comes with these screws here, so for it to stay in place and doesn't fold when you place it like that. So you can either hang it on the wall or just put it on the counter. It will not fold anymore. Look at this. And I'm going to install the remaining here, and then I'm going to use the remaining tools to install it on the wall on these little openings in here. You have the choice to either just place it over the counter like this or hang it on the wall. I can also hang it on the wall in here like this.